Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're taking a look at how two guys are working together to clean a site water-fed pole on the outside. So you can see the windows that are currently being cleaned actually have screens on both ends. So water-fed pole, we are only using a water-fed on the center picture windows on each of those. From the inside, we had to remove 5 pieces of glass, flip them around, clean them, and to get the in and out from the inside. Everything except for the outside of that picture window. So it's a process of trad and water fed. Was the most efficient way to do it. Once we get those insides done with the pullouts, then we come outside, just water fed the picture window. So our current process is one guy's going to be on second floor, the other guy's going to stay on the lower level. So here's this one, even one up higher. We already did all that. You can see the watermarks. So this pole is going to stay on second floor, go hit all those uppers. The next pole is going to follow behind on the next floor down, all the way down. So two guys are working. We're cleaning the third and second floor, or it'd be 4 floors there. So it'd be the 4th floor and the 3rd floor both together getting cleaned, and then we come back and get the next 2 floors, 2nd and 1, ground level there. So that's a look. 2 people working together. You got trad inside, water fed outside. Use the most efficient tools you have available to you to try to make that efficiency, create profits for you. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum.